Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Vedika Kumar, known for her grace and versatility on screen, has also carved a strong niche for herself in the world of fashion. Her modern fashion choices reflect a perfect fusion of sophistication, contemporary elegance, and youthful charm. Whether it's walking the red carpet or attending high-profile events, she effortlessly turns heads with her statement-making looks. One of her standout modern choices is her love for structured gowns in bold colors from emerald greens to electric blues and deep burgundies. These gowns often feature dramatic ruffles, thigh-high slits, plunging necklines, or elegant trains that add a powerful red carpet vibe while highlighting her statuesque figure. Her recent appearances in pastel-toned dresses with delicate embellishments have also gained attention, showcasing her softer, romantic fashion side. Vedika often opts for body-hugging silhouettes that complement her toned frame, embracing mermaid cuts, corset-style bodices, and sleek slit dresses. Her affinity for metallics and sequins is another standout. Shimmering silver and gold ensembles with geometric patterns or high-shine textures frequently dominate her modern wardrobe. In casual fashion, her off-duty looks are no less impressive. She's often spotted in co-ord sets, oversized blazers paired with mini skirts, high-waisted trousers, and fitted crop tops that emphasize both style and comfort. From crisp white shirts tucked into denim with stiletto heels to chic satin blouses with palazzos, her street style remains clean, crisp, and unapologetically trendy. She frequently blends Western and Indian aesthetics, like wearing traditional jhumkas with jumpsuits or adding an ethnic stole to a Western outfit, subtly playing with contrast while maintaining cohesion. In terms of fabrics, she leans into luxury silks, chiffons, satin, velvet, and organza dominate her modern looks, whether it's in flowing maxi dresses or sharp-cut jumpsuits. Accessories are another area where Vedika shines. She keeps it minimal yet impactful, often choosing layered necklaces, delicate anklets, and statement clutches that perfectly align with her ensemble's vibe. Her makeup and hair also contribute significantly to her modern fashion identity. She experiments with dewy and glossy makeup looks. Soft pink lips, highlighted cheekbones, and nude eyeshadows are her go-to. But she's not afraid to go bold with smoky eyes and bold red lips when the outfit demands drama. Her hairdos range from sleek ponytails, beachy waves, low buns, to high glam blowouts, each chosen to enhance the overall silhouette of her look. She also embraces trends like the wet hair look and center-part sleek buns, giving her an edge in the fashion scene. Vedika's fashion sensibility reflects confidence. She embraces trends without being a slave to them. She knows what works for her body type and blends global trends with her personal flair, making every look memorable and inspiring for fans and fashion enthusiasts alike. From contemporary ethnic fusion to glamorous Western couture, Vedika is constantly redefining what it means to be stylish in the modern era. Her Instagram feed is a treasure trove of inspiration for those looking to upgrade their fashion game. It's where high street meets high fashion, and simplicity dances with extravagance. Each look speaks of careful thought, precise styling, and an eye for balance. Whether she's in a printed mini dress with sleek boots or a lavish high-slit gown with a dramatic cape, she proves time and again that modern fashion is about being bold, graceful, and unapologetically you. With each appearance, she continues to inspire a new wave of fashion followers, and there's no doubt that Vedika's modern fashion journey is one that will only get bolder and brighter from here. One of the most striking aspects of Vedika's modern fashion journey is her adaptability. She doesn't shy away from experimentation. From edgy, avant-garde silhouettes to minimalist monochrome looks, she's proven her range time and again. Recently, she's been seen embracing fashion-forward trends like asymmetric hems, exaggerated sleeves, and cut-out detailing. Whether it's a one-shoulder floor-length dress with a flowing cape sleeve or a sleek midi dress with bold cutouts at the waist and neckline, she carries each look with unmatched poise. These designs not only showcase her bold sense of style but also demonstrate her keen awareness of emerging global fashion trends and how to make them her own. Another noteworthy element in her modern style arsenal is her use of prints and textures. While she often plays with solid hues, she also embraces digital prints, florals, abstract motifs, and animal prints. She has been spotted in figure-hugging printed dresses and modern Indo-Western combinations like printed jackets over plain tube dresses or kaftan-style shirts paired with modern trousers. Her ability to combine playful patterns with clean silhouettes gives her a unique identity, fun yet classy, experimental yet refined. Even in travel and vacation looks, her fashion sensibility shines through. Think breezy maxi dresses in tropical prints, boho-inspired co-ord sets, wide brim hats, oversized sunglasses, and stylish tote bags. Everything about her vacation wardrobe speaks of effortless glam. On the beach, she stuns in kaftans, sarongs over swimsuits, and off-shoulder summer dresses, exuding a calm, relaxed aura while never compromising on style. Her love for layering shines during travel too. Denim jackets over tank tops, knitted shrugs over bodycons, or even trench coats worn over jumpsuits show her layering mastery, perfect for jet-setting in style. She also knows how to elevate traditional elements in modern attire. She's been seen in Indo-fusion pieces like crop tops with dhoti pants, cape-style jackets over modern lehengas, and even ethnic fabrics like Banarasi or Chanderi styled into contemporary jumpsuits or skirts. These bold fusions are not only visually stunning but also culturally rich, bridging the gap between heritage and high fashion. She frequently works with designers who specialize in handloom and sustainable textiles, making a quiet but powerful statement about mindful fashion choices. Let's not forget her photo shoots and editorial fashion moments. She has aced high fashion editorial spreads, where she's donned everything from sculpted metallic dresses and sheer bodysuits to leather outfits and exaggerated couture gowns. These shoots capture her bold persona. They're not just about wearing clothes but embodying the energy, drama, and power each look holds. In one shoot, she spotted a futuristic silver cord set with mirror embellishments, bold winged eyeliner, and a slick hair bun, channeling fierce goddess energy. In another, she posed in a minimalist white dress against a rusted backdrop, allowing the purity and simplicity of the outfit to shine. Her evening wear game is also exceptionally strong. She gravitates towards sleek, body-contouring cocktail dresses adorned with shimmering sequins or crafted in opulent, structured fabrics that exude elegance and glamour. Black, wine red, midnight blue, and metallic tones dominate her red carpet appearances, often styled with sleek heels, minimal jewelry, and clutch bags. She's frequently seen in off-shoulder styles, halter necks, and backless gowns, all flattering and dramatic in their own right. Her attention to detail, like matching manicures or bold eye makeup, always elevates the entire ensemble. Her social media presence further enhances her fashion appeal. Every post is curated with intent. The pose, lighting, background, outfit, and caption all come together to tell a story. From mirror selfies in designer wear to candid rooftop shots in athleisure, she gives her followers both inspiration and aspiration. Even her gym looks, think matching sports bras and leggings, crop jackets, and running shoes, reflect her modern, health-conscious, and stylish personality. What truly sets Vedika apart, however, is her attitude. She wears every outfit with a sense of ease and authenticity. Whether it's a heavily embellished gown or a simple denim-on-denim look, her confidence and grace breathe life into it. That balance of poise and boldness is what makes her a true modern fashion icon. She doesn't try to fit into a mold. Instead, she creates her own lane, inspiring young fashion lovers to do the same. In a world flooded with fashion influences and celebrity styles, Vedika stands tall as someone who merges elegance with experimentation, tradition with modernity, and luxury with subtlety. Her wardrobe is a celebration of versatility, from airport looks to gala gowns, from coffee date outfits to magazine editorials. With each appearance, she reinforces the message that fashion is not about being loud, it's about being expressive. And that's exactly what makes Vedika's modern fashion choices not just trending, but truly timeless. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.